what's going on? All right. It's crazy me to meet with Dawson, coming down to San Antonio to make some meets. Dude, it's so crazy. We got Eric from Mustang. He's the owner from Mustang. He's out here in Mexico. That's crazy. And then we got like dude, I'll show you right now. We'll go around, do a walk around of all the cars that are here. I don't know most of these cars, so we'll just do a walk around and see what's up. But yeah, it's pretty crazy right now. These are just the cars like right now. Yo, Eric's out here from Mustang. Get your fuel from fucking Mustang. You already know. Sheesh. Yo, fake Hellcat. What's good, my boy? Yo, hey, you need some boost? Some Mustang? Some fuel? Yeah, he's out, bro. He's out here. Bro, for real, dude. If homeboy's out here, dude. That guy, he never comes out. He only comes out for like Shift Sector, Texas 2K, like that type deal. So, dude, and I don't know. I haven't seen it. Most of these cars in the front, like I don't know. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Got the sick homies Camaro, Javon. Dude, wicked. It's NA, so hopefully we get some runs in. But this one's sick. Got the skinnies in the front, polished 4 stars in the rear. Yeah. Got a couple Mustangs up here on the other side. Got a Z01. Pretty sure that one's pretty quick. Alright, let's do another walk around real quick. Oh, I got a Gen 3 Coyote over here. It looks NA. Sweet. Got a bike. Another Gen 3 Coyote. Got another 5.0. Ooh, got some more 5.0s. Cool. What's going on? So, dang. Ooh, that GTCS looks actually pretty sick. This one's tin can gutted over here. GTCS over here. Sheesh. Sick. I have no idea. I'm pretty sure it's gonna boost it though. Damn. Yo, what's good? What's good?
We're at the OG show.
Oh, dang. Everyone's out here. Sheesh. A bunch of Mustangs out here. We got the boosted C6. Nice. Oh, it seems like Whipple with Mach 1. Sheesh. Sick. Oh, dang. Got a twin turbo. Trailblazer, I think a Trailblazer. Dang. Crazy. A 650. Oh, dang. Sheesh. This F-150 looks crazy over here. Dang. Ooh, with the full carbon hood. Dang. Sweet. Alright. Dang. Pretty sure this 5.0's boosted. Supra on the wheel. Sheesh. Let's keep it going. Dang. Look at all these Teslas here. Oh, got this one. This looks NA. This will be a good run too. Dang. Yeah, it looks NA, so hopefully get a run with that one. Ooh, this one looks tin can gutted. We got some actual Teslas being charged out here. That's crazy. Cool. All right, we'll get back to you, see what runs we can get. Yo, I completely missed this. This dude's charging it. hybrid.